Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I'm going to share to you all the information that is available currently, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us start first with the Keepall Cargo 50. This would be launching April 24, 2025 from the Mens PeFall 2025 Monogram Archive Collection. The price of this one is 4,550 USD. We have SKU here. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is a good new design for the Keepall. What do you think, guys? Next on the collection, we have the mini soft trunk. I really do love this design. Price is 3,600 USD. Material is monogram canvas, a slouchy version with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap and detachable ball chain strap with gold hardware. I am loving the slouchy and soft design of this mini soft trunk. What do you think? Next, guys, we have a satchel messenger bag. Price is 3,200 USD. Still from the Mens PeFall 2025 Monogram Archive Collection. So it kind of looks like a vintage bag to me. What do you think? So it would come, of course, in the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. And it comes with the adjustable shoulder strap. Next, guys, Life Buoy bag. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price is 9,850 USD. We have SKU here, M14470. I love the uniqueness of design, as you can see. Of course, it comes with the adjustable and non-detachable leather strap. Next on the collection, we have the steamer wearable wallet. So price of this one is 2,180 USD. I love this new design of the steamer wearable wallet. I love the new padlock design and the ball chain strap. So this is the interior. It has a fabric brown interior. So guys, the wearable wallet, this is like a wallet on chain size. So just be mindful of what you're going to put inside. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Then next on the collection, we have the Damonflage black handle trunk. Price is 9,850 USD. We have SKU here, still from the Mens PeFall 2025 Monogram Archive Collection. Materials Damonflage coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it would come with bag tag. Next, we have watch case trunk. Price of this one is 9,250 USD. We have SKU here, still from the same collection. I love the gunmetal hardware. So this is the interior. It comes with the different colorways or tones of gray. Then, of course, as you can see, I'm loving the Damonflage coated canvas. How do you feel, guys, of the Damonflage detail? Still part of the Mens PeFall 2025 collection. Next, we have the shopper tote size MM. Price of this one is 3,800 USD. Material is raffia. It would come with detachable leather bag tag. So I love the strap that it comes with because you could wear it as a shoulder bag, which is easy to carry and definitely perfect for travel or perfect for vacation. Next, we have Christopher backpack size PM. Price of this one is 6,050 USD. SKU M14858. So this is the interior. Of course, the main material is raffia. It would come with cowhide leather chips as well. So the backpack straps, I'm not sure if it is adjustable or not, but please take note of that one. Then guys, we have exotic collections. So the collection is men's solar power collection. So first we have Keepall size 45. Material is exotic leather or croc leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. It would come with silver hardware. It would come with bag tag as well. Next, guys, we have Handle Soft Trunk. By the way, this collection would be launching anytime May 2025. For the price, please stand by once I have them. I'll be posting on our community wall. But please take note of the SKU for your reference, so you may also check the website and your CAs. So this is the same collection, materials, exotic leather, croc skin. So how do you feel about the like the iridescent yellow colorway? This one, guys, is nice and beautiful. Keepall size 35. They should be launching more Keepall in the size 35 size. So we have SKU here for reference. Materials the same, exotic leather or croc leather. It would come with detachable leather strap. It would come with bag tag, padlock and keys. It has silver hardware. Next, we have SLGS. So first we have pocket organizer. SKU and like Nancy 87730, still from the same solar power collection. Materials is croc leather. It would come with cowhide leather trims, and I love, of course, the silver hardware, the LV logo in front of the pocket organizer, which will be launching May 2025. Next, we have multiple wallet. We have SKU here, so same material. This is interior. I love, of course, the interior. The yellow really pops, and of course this is the back side of the multiple wallet. So I'm not sure if this is iridescent or it's like a faded finish for the yellow colorway of the material. Then of course it would come with silver hardware. Next, SLG, we have passport holder. Price, please do stand by, but please take note of the SKU. So if you're looking for a very bougie passport holder, kindly take note of this one. But of course, since this is made of exotic leather croc skin, we could really expect the prices would be on a higher price range. So this is the back side of the passport holder. Next, we have a longer wallet. We have the Brazzo wallet. No price yet, so kindly take note of the SKU for reference. So this is the close-up of the Louis Vuitton logo, and we could see like the silver finishing or pearlescent finish of the croc leather. Of course, it would come with exotic leather with cowhide leather trims. Then, guys, we have another bag from the women's department. So we have Anytime flap bag. Price of this one is 2,550 euro or 3,100 USD. This has already launched, guys, April 21st, 2025. So please take note and check the website and check with your CAs. So this is a flap bag style. Of course, the chain strap that it comes with is fully adjustable. Then it would come in these very beautiful colorway tortoise gray. Of course, it has the same price of 2,550 euro or 3,100 USD. I love the gold hardware. So this is the interior. It has like a padlock detail as well, and of course the chain strap, it's fully adjustable just like with the classic Chanel flap. And then, guys, we have the Kuzan PM launch already, or this is launching April 2025. Price is 5,300 USD. We have SKU here. Materials Monogram Empriente leather with cowhide leather trims. The colorway is Eden in bicolor. It would come with gold hardware. It comes with two straps, detachable leather strap and chunky chain strap. Then next, guys, we have SKU. So going back to the Mens PeFall 2025 collection that will be launching April 24th. First, we have the Brazzo wallet. colorway or material is Monogram Heritage Canvas. It would come with cowhide leather trim. So the leather trims, I love the contrasting of the brown interior. Next, on the Mens PeFall 2025 collection, we have passport holder. For the price of this one, please do stand by, but we have SKU here for your reference. So same material. Actually, I do love the colorway of the heritage canvas. What do you think? So this is the interior. This is the back side of the passport holder. Definitely, I feel this is more carefree versus if, for example, you are going to purchase the croc leather version. And then, guys, please take note, double card holder. So price of this one, please stand by what we have SKU here. So the reason I believe that this is a card holder, if you're going to count, it has more slots for our cards. So the interior is like the striped interior, so coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you did, guys, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!